Maria Jimenez Vargas, and I'm here today to introduce you an online corpus-based resource to be implemented in the English language classroom. This resource is called Word Neighbors, and it is online, as I said before. It is free, and there is no need of downloading it. It is developed by the University of Hong Kong of Science and Technology, and it allows you to check the context of words in real samples. It includes a wide range of spoken and written English texts of different genres. Well, now, as you can see, this is the interface, and this is very easy to use and very intuitive. Now I'm going to tell you the basic settings of this resource. Well, first, there you can see the search term box where you type the word you want to check its contents. Then, on both sides, you've got the words to be shown. That is, up to 4 words before the word you have typed in the search box and up to 4 after it. There, you establish the number from 0 to 4, and the same happens, as you can see, on to the right. Once we have established all these settings, we have to press the button Find It in order to obtain our results. This is the result we got. And so, for the example of goalkeeper, it is related to the example I'm going to explain later. And there you can see the word goalkeeper, and next to it the words see context. And after that, well, and below it, we have the total number of impressions, which is 782. So if we press on see context, all these examples are displayed. We've got the example, and next to it, the text type where it appears. We have a wide variety, as you can see, advertisement, articles, fiction, newspaper, and so on. I have finished to tell you how to use it. As you can see, it's very easy, and I think that our student will have no trouble in using them. So now I'm going to tell you how I have implemented in the English language classroom. Well, I will do it with my students of the 4th year of compulsory secondary education, and I will use it to teach them compound nouns and how to define it. This activity is focused on compound nouns related to sports, and this activity is divided in 2 parts. In both parts, my students are going to work in pairs, and I'm going to ask them to match the first column with the second one, that is, to create a compound noun. How are they going to do that? Are they going to guess the match? No. They're going to use word neighbors in order to check the answers. So they have to type the words they think it is the compound noun. For example, go track, go well, and then until they find that the correct answer is goalkeeper. Once they have all these matches, then we will move on to the second part of this activity. Well, this is the second part, and students, they're going to define the compound noun that they have created before without the use of a dictionary, just checking the context in word neighbors and guess it what can that be. And this is the end of the activity that I have prepared for my students. Now, let's analyze it with the Chappelle's analysis. And first, of course, my students, they are going to focus on form. They have to type the words and they have to check the context. I think it is fitted with the learner's level of proficiency, motivations, and interests. And students, they are going to focus directly on the meaning of the target language. Of course, there is a connection between the work they are doing in the class with the real-life situations that can be faces in the future. For example, when they read a new newspaper, or maybe to listen to a broadcast program. And from my point of view, it will cause an impact on them because there will be a positive learning environment. They're going to work in pairs. They don't feel like that anxiety or stress, and the teacher is going to guide them and to help them through the troubles they may face. Also, it is also practical because my students, the only thing they need is a computer, and the interface is enough because the only thing that they need is an online connection, no registration and no download needed. Well, and these are the references that I have used to create this video blog. And this is the end of my presentation. I hope you like it and maybe you may find it useful to use in your English language classroom. See you soon. Thank you very much. Bye.